Preview.
Everybody, I'm Parikshit from Kisana Club. Today we are going to draw
A fun drawing.
yeah.
Something new. Something that we have never tried before. What is that? Come on, tell your friends.
So we are going to mix a bird from our hand.
And from the handprints,
Yeah.
the outlines of the hands. So let's start. We'll put our left hand on the paper. We'll need a black sharpie, a white paper, and let's start drawing. Just follow me, Parikshit, okay? Let's start with this scene.
First we start from where?
From this side.
From the palms.
Yes. Okay.
Can you go fast also? Now should I open this? Or mark?
Well, let us not finish this.
Mine is flying upwards. Yours is not looking like a bird.
Yes, it's not because my hands are very big.
Mine are looking perfect.
Yeah, it's looking good.
Right. Yeah. It's like it's flying up.
Yeah.
See, mine is so flippin' perfect.
Yeah. You're done? Let's do another.
Let's do the coloring.
We'll not do coloring. We'll do another very quick one. Drawing using the hands again.
What?
Yes.
How are we going to do that?
Let us show you this quick drawing. Come on, start, Parikshit. Okay? Now finish it.
What is it?
Okay? Now,
Oh yeah, we are going to make a fish.
yes, now we'll turn it around like this.
Turn it around. And this is
So these were two fun drawings using our hands. Did you enjoy this?
you want to? Can I do like this?
Now I'm done. Oh, how easy it was, isn't it? Awesome. Was this good? Was this fun?
Yeah.
So,
friends, if you love this video, do like and subscribe our channel to see more of this amazing video.
have a good day.
Bye bye.
Bye bye.